guys, welcome back to the Gypsy Moon Child, and I'm sorry for being MIA from YouTube, but I have now a lot of things planned for the YouTube channel as well. This is the Gypsy Moon Child. I'm Drishti, and today we are going to do a pick a pile reading. I'll attach a clip of these 3 piles. Choose one, whichever the one you feel called to or you resonate with, and we'll see what is the outcome for that. So we today are going to look at the next few months of your connection. So what is going on in your connection, what is coming up in your connection. So pick a pile to know that what is next in your connection. And also, before we get into the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, because I'm going to be active on YouTube as well from now, and I'm back on track. So please do subscribe and click the bell button below. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I also have a giveaway that is live on my Instagram feed, and it's live till 10th of October only. So go and please do participate in the giveaway. I also have my website now where you can book the tarot readings and as well as healing sessions directly. So next up is the clip of the piles. So please do select one of the piles, whichever you feel the most called to. Okay, so for those who have chosen the pile number 1, we are going to look at the cards for you. These are the 3 cards that has come up for you guys. Let's see. Amazing combination for you guys for pile 1. So what's next in your connection? How does the next few months look like in your connection? So there is someone already in your life, or is someone might be coming new. This could be your soulmate person, this is a very soulmate kind of energy I'm getting here. Even if you see these 2 cards, both of these 2 cards talk to me about being your soulmate. You have a very unique connection with this person. You guys have a very unique bond that you guys share with each other, and it's just once in a lifetime kind of a love. And if this person hasn't already spoken about it to you yet, they will soon, because we also see honeymoon card here. So this also indicates that either you guys will be going on a holiday together, or just taking some time out for both of you, just taking out time from the daily routine to spend some time with each other. And also, if there was distance, or if you were not in contact with this person, then the communication is coming up soon. I do see it happening in the next 2 months itself. So you both will be connecting to each other in the next few months. And do not worry, because if you know it, you know it. When this person will come, you will know it, that this is your soulmate. This is your this is like once in a lifetime kind of a love, kind of a experience for you. So this is definitely your soulmate. So just wait for the right moment, wait for the right person to come in, if this person is already not in your life. So they will soon be coming into your life. So it's like a new love, or it could be the person is already there in your life and you both are connecting to each other right now. And there's spark in this connection, there is love in this connection, there is care. Everything you need in a connection is right there with this person. Okay, so let's move on to pile number 2. Let's see. If you have picked pile number 2, these are the cards for you. Forgiveness, love yourself first, and Queen of Wands. Okay, so I think there's a lot of past hurt here in this connection in your life right now. I'm sorry, but it's like it's coming from some past relationships, or it could be any kind of a relationship that might have hurt you. So there's some healing that you need to do. You need to focus on forgiveness. Either you have to forgive yourself or your past relationship, partners. It could be healing family relationship as well. There's someone in it to forgive. It could be yourself as well. So you should do some Ho'oponopono meditation for forgiving someone or yourself, whoever it is, and that's how you'll be able to start to love yourself. You have to love yourself first. Self-love is the key point for the next few months if you have to actually manifest someone in your life. So there's a lot you need to heal right now. Number 1 is, as I said, forgiveness, and number 2 is self-love. You need to work on self-love. You need to just focus on improving your self-worth, confidence. First put yourself first, always use some self-love affirmations, and meditate on building up a connection with yourself, your intuition, and that's how you'll be able to actually trust yourself over anyone else. The Queen of Wands here is to tell us again that you have to be in your own power. You have to actually love yourself first, because you look good. Once you work on yourself, you look good. You're this Queen of Wands right here when you start to work on yourself. So you'll be this Queen of Wands here, focusing on yourself, looking good, dressing up really well, doing what you want to, rise up in your power and actually follow your passion, follow your creativity. Your creative block is also gonna go. So right now you need to put in your passion in your work, in yourself, in your own body as well. Treat your body right. Show some love to yourself in each and every way possible before you actually show love to someone else. When you're in your own power, when you forgive yourself, when you do your own healing, that's when you will attract the right partner for you. Your partner will also be healed in all of those areas, and then you wouldn't have to complete them, but you will just complement them. So that's for people who chose pile number 2. Okay, let's see people who chose pile number 3. Okay, we've got likes you romantically, getting to know each other, and the Page of Pentacles. Amazing. So right now I think there is a person in your life right now. You might have met this person in your high school or your work, could be like something like that, something professional environment, some professional environment you've met this person at. So this connection is right now building. You like each other romantically. There is romantic connection here, but you both are actually getting to know each other. You just spend some time to be with this person, spend some time to know this person. I feel there's lack of communication right now, but both of you want the same thing. The end goal is to have a long-term and stable connection, which this Page of Pentacles guarantee. But right now you have to know each other. Just take small steps, baby steps towards this connection. Spend some time to know each other, because there is romantic feelings, there is chemistry here. All you need to do is get to know each other a little better, a little more. As you reveal your innermost selves to each other, your bond deepens. So that's what you really need to do. You have to deepen up your bond in order to spend time with each other and in order to have that perfect connection. So you need to deepen your connection with this person right now. Do not rush the process. Take one step at a time. Go out a lot, meet each other a lot, and then see where you're going at. But there's definitely romance and connection and chemistry here in this connection. So that's it for today's video, and from now on I'll be posting new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So please press the bell icon so you get notified about all the videos that I'm going to post here on YouTube. Please do follow me on Instagram and check out my website, and also you can get some free affirmations on my website, and there's meditations, healing sessions, and tarot readings as well that you can book from our website. And don't forget to participate in the giveaway. I will link everything down in the description box below, so please check it out, and I'll see you guys next time. Till then, love and light. God bless you all.